Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at UPS. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I wanted to let you know that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now, in the case of this chart, we are tracking a pretty simple ABC structure to the upside. Now, I'm not saying that since we don't have a 5-wave move, we cannot look for continuation to the upside, but this wave 1 would be clearly within an ABC structure. I really wouldn't even really bother looking for some sort of a different count for this area. It does adhere pretty much to the expectations for an ABC structure, and in that case, we can still look for a correction within a wave 2, and we will have a support zone here for wave 2 that would be between the $117 level down to the $56 level, where as long as we stay above the 78.6% retracement, we can still look for continuation to the upside within a wave 3 with a decent probability for this to work out. Now keep in mind that this third wave to the upside would also look or work out within an ABC pattern. It wouldn't be an impulse either. And with that in mind, we can now really look for where we would really expect a bottom within this wave 2. Now, we could have technically been looking here for a double 1-2-1-2 setup, but yeah, with this low that formed here, the most recent local low in this area is actually identical to the previous low that we had here in this wave B bottom, and yeah, the likelihood of this being a 1-2 setup is pretty much next to 0. So in this idea, we have structural support in this area, and a relief rally is quite likely to happen, in my opinion, in this area within a correction, but I would still be looking for further continuation to the downside here within this wave 2, where I am looking at an ABC structure to develop. And within this ABC structure, we have the A wave and the B wave complete, and within the wave C, we are looking for a 5-wave move to fulfill this pattern, where so far we have the wave 1 complete, the wave 2 complete, and internally within the third wave, I would actually say that yeah, we still have a little bit further to go down, and I see here a double 1-2-1-2 setup, a third wave down complete, and then I would be looking for a couple 4-5-4-5 patterns to fulfill this wave 3. Now, if we look based on the extension of the wave 1 for the ideal target of the wave 3, we would look at the 138.2% extension, which is at around the $75 level. Now that is very much in confluence here with the 61.8% retracement level for the wave 2 correction, which is also a possible area to provide some support, and yeah, who knows, maybe even create a bottom here within this wave 3. Now, I was looking here to the left to see if we have any structural support in this area, but yeah, I don't really see much. But regardless of that, it doesn't mean that we cannot find support there. But looking at this internal wave 3, I am looking here at a 1-2 setup, a third wave down, and then for a fourth wave and a fifth wave to complete the larger wave, to complete the internal wave 3 within this larger wave 3, because then we would still need another 4-5 pattern to actually fulfill it. And let me make this a higher degree. And for this wave 4 to work out, I would be looking to hold below the resistance area for wave 4, which in this case is between the $92.6 up to the $106 level. Now, a break above the 50% retracement would pretty much invalidate the entire wave C count that we have, and we would need to probably look for a different structure that could be developing. And I do have some ideas that could work out, but at the moment I say we focus on this area for a wave 4, which is likely to develop within an ABC structure. But keep in mind that yeah, the wave 4 can also still turn into a triangle, where it could be something like this in a contracting triangle, and then it would be really a 5-wave structure, but it would be more to the sideways than a deeper retracement in that case. And for now, really, there isn't much else to add. We still need to track the continuation to the downside here, and I do expect further downside after this relief rally within the wave 4. So these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.